Do you know the biggest obstacle standing between most traders and consistent profits? It's not the charts. It's not the strategy. It's not even the market. The real battle is right here, your mind. Today, I'm going to show you how to train your brain for trading success, so you can think, act, and trade like a pro. Imagine this. A trader starts the day with confidence. He tells himself, I'll stick to my plan. But after 2 losses, his emotions take over. Fear and greed kick in. He doubles his lot size, breaks his rules, and by the end of the day, his account is bleeding. Sound familiar? That's not a strategy problem. It's a brain problem. And the good news is, you can rewire your brain to respond differently. Our brain wasn't built for trading. It was built for survival. When you see a losing trade, your brain interprets it as danger, just like a wild animal in the jungle. That's why your heartbeat races, your palms sweat, and you want to fight or run. The secret is to train your brain to stay calm under pressure, just like a soldier in battle or an athlete under stress. Think of a professional boxer. He doesn't panic when punched. He's trained his reflexes. Trading is the same. You must train your mental reflexes. Here are the 3 mental exercises you need. Visualization before trading. Visualize yourself handling a loss calmly, sticking to your plan, and executing perfectly. This rewires your brain to accept losses without panic. Breathing control. During live trades, use deep breathing to calm your nervous system. It slows down your fight or flight response. Journaling emotions, not just trades, but emotions. Right? I felt fear when price moved against me. Over time, you'll spot patterns, and that awareness kills bad habits. Successful traders don't just follow charts. They master patience, discipline, and emotional control. Patience. Waiting for your setup like a hunter waits for the perfect shot. Discipline. Following your rules even when your feelings scream otherwise. Detachment. Accepting that any trade can lose without it affecting your confidence. This is what separates gamblers from professionals. Training your brain means turning these habits into your natural state. So here's the truth. Trading success is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. If you don't control your brain, the market will control you. Start training your mind today. Visualize, breathe, and journal. Over time, you'll transform from an emotional trader into a disciplined, confident one. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling with trading emotions. Remember, master your mind, and the profits will follow.